Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to add a related list to a page in Salesforce Lightning quickly and easily. First, open your Salesforce dashboard and click the gear icon in the top right corner. Next, select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. In the Quick Find box, type Object Manager and click on it. After that, choose the object you want to update, like Contact, Case, or Opportunity. Now, click Page Layouts from the left menu and select the layout you want to modify. To complete the update, scroll to the Related List section in the Layout Editor. Drag the related object, like cases or opportunities, from the top palette into the Related List section. Click the wrench icon on the related list to customize which fields are displayed. Once everything looks good, click Save in the top left corner to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a related list to a Salesforce Lightning page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.